from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the president can
Ayaw.
give
Ayaw
his
ko
hearing.
kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
We suspend our hearing.
Sir, pag wala ng question,
Tapusin natin itong putang inang problema ng Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President. Okay. So, we appreciate your attendance. No? We nag-overtime na po tayo, sir. Pasensya na po, hindi natin kaya hanggang 4 a.m.
Okay lang, sir.
Okay, kasi. And then, so, to the other resource persons or witnesses na hindi po natanong man lang, including Muking. Muking is here, taas mo kami Muking kasi marami sasabi baka hindi ka mag-appear. But thank you for, so pasensya na po kayo, no? We ran out of time for our first hearing. Automatic, na lang.
Senator, bigyan mo ko konting panahon, sandali. Kasi ito
Sir.
si Muking,
Yes, sir.
tigabigay ng pera. Alam mo, ang pulis, sir, at alam mo yan, ikaw mismo alam mo yan. Yang pulis, walang pera yan pag operasyon. Magtanong ka dito ng istasyon. Sweldo lang yan sila, may equipment sila, ganon, may police car. Putang ina, walang gasolina yan. Maniwala ka. Magtanong ka ngayon, baski ikaw sa probinsya, utosan mo, sir, walang panggasolina. Ewan ko, I'm not trying to cast aspersion doon sa taas. Pero yung mga gasolina, wala. Kung hindi mo bigyan, ito, kung may krimen, may nakidnap, ako, bigyan ko yan sila. Ayan, buhay yan. Bigay ako sa kanila, 50 mil. Gasolina. Pagdating mo doon, patayin mo. So, anong gawin nila? Bigyan mo panahon na lumaban. Kasi yan ang instructor ako sa criminal law, criminal procedure. The only way na hindi kayo makulong and to justify the killing is bigyan mo talaga ng panahon na lumaban. Kaya wag mong lapitan doon na ganurin mo. Yung diretso-diretso. Lalo yung mga hold-upper, papatay talaga yan. Mindanao.
So thank you, Mr. President. In the course of the hearings, doon nga natin ni-establish bakit nga walang pang-operation ang police. So yun ang
Wala talaga
ating, yun ang ating,
Wala
tatanungin
talaga.
ngayon natin yan. Pero we have run out of time for our hearing this, kanino kay Presidente?
Until now, sir.
Okay.
Until
can
now.
Can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Thank you for
Ayoko, sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong iparelax po, Mr. President.
Ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito. And I can talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan. Kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May pag-utos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I think it's majority of the members of this committee, Senator Robinson Padilla, Senator Bongo,
Yes, okay. Yes, I
yours
understand.
truly,
I understand.
and
I understand.
even Senator Villanueva, would like to excuse the President
Yes, okay.
from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the President can...
Ayaw.
Ayaw
ko kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
We suspend our hearing.
Sir, pag wala ng question,
Tapusin natin itong putang inang problema ng Pilipinas.